Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be cooking up something oh so tasty and good. Hey, save your money, step on in the kitchen, and put together a juicy, awesome cheeseburger. So go ahead and start off and clean your veggies. Yes, that is so important to prep so everything will be ready for you. So only thing I'm doing is slicing up the veggies, and yeah. So guess what I want you to do for me? If you find any value in this video, most definitely give it a like, and if you want to, go ahead and hit subscribe. And welcome. So this is all I'm going to be doing, is whipping it up in the kitchen. And guess what? Stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alright, so right here you see that I already went ahead and diced up the bell peppers. Yes, and then I'm about to go ahead and slice up this juicy onion. Okay, yes, I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure that I peel all of the skin off. The onion has been cleaned, and the only thing I'm gonna do is slice it up in medallion size. Yeah, stay tuned. So get you a pan, lay you some parchment paper down. It just makes for easy cleaning, you know? So that's what I'm doing here. And here are the seasonings that I will be using for this amazing, juicy cheeseburger. Okay, the meat is like 72% lean. I should have had 85, but that's okay. So in a container, I just have the veggies there waiting for me to go ahead and smash in this big old patty right here. So keep watching. as much seasoning as you want. And as a matter of fact, use the seasoning that you enjoy. Whatever seasoning you like to use in your meat, in your cooking, yes, go ahead and grab it. So I think that I have a nice size patty. Yes, and I'm just going to smash them and just keep making more patties. Alright, now I have my black cast iron skillet. I'm not going to be using my hand. I'm just going to go ahead and grab a spatula and I'm going to smash it. I'm going to smash the meat in the skillet. Yes, I think that I should be able to fit at least 4 patties inside of this black cast iron skillet. So remember what I said about easy cleaning? Just go ahead and fold the paper over, lay your spatula to the side, and keep moving. Okay, this is how much grease that I got out of the skillet. And so now my patties are starting to get well done because that's just how I like them. Now, sometimes I will have medium rare, but I do like well done. Now, here are my onions. Yes, they're going to just go ahead and get golden. While their onions are getting golden, let's go ahead and whip up the dressing. Yes. I don't know about you, but I think that dressing just go ahead and give it that oh so perfection on that cheeseburger. All right, I did say well done. So if you don't want that much cheese on your burger, just go ahead and slice a half and fold it again. All right, we got the cheese. Go ahead and lay the sauce down the dressing, okay? Yes. All right, now the veggies are already prepped. They're in the bowl. And of course, I'm just going to go ahead and grab a nice leaf. I love leaf lettuce on my burger. I don't know about you, but oh, it's just so good. I think shredded lettuce is really for tacos. And hey, will you look at that? Look at there. Isn't that so good, but it's missing something? Oh, I know. That golden, yummy onion. Hey, guess what? I'm going to go ahead and say thanks for watching the video. I ask that you like, share, and subscribe. And go ahead and make yourself a juicy, yummy, oh so amazing cheeseburger. And if there is a video that relates to this video, of course, it's going to be at the end screen, up in the cards, or down in the description box. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourselves. Peace.